bag babes, it is your girl Rockstar Rochelle coming to you with another spring video. This is one of our new summer beach bags. Okay, first and foremost, the nice utility canvas material. I love how it swoops, you like that? And these double durable weave canvas straps. On the outside you have a large huge pocket, all right? And on the other side you have another large huge pocket. On the inside you have one pocket, or two pockets. Wait, two pocket slaps, okay? 1, 2. This reminds me of like our soft utility tote that we had several years ago. Has a nice durable bottom. I love how the color seams into the front of here. So nice tote, perfect beach bag for all seasons. Again, if you are loving more of the spring stuff, reach out to me, connect. I will get you a catalog, get you more of these sneak peeks, and don't forget to check out this playlist that I got going for you. All right.